Go.
Dun,
Okay.
dun, dun.
Exhibit A. We are right here. Rachel and Jess and Whitney are right here. Pam is right here.
Pam.
Good night.
Where's
Jill,
the secret
we're
laundry
going to-
fairies?
The wake-up call is at 4:30 a.m. We're going to exit. Proceed this way, army style.
Bum, bum, bum,
Rachel! We're gonna go this way, down the stairs, duct tape the door. We'll come out here, outside, parking lot. The other stairs are here. Well, it actually looks like we're going down, but we're going up. And then we'll go this way, and there's laundry room, and we'll do laundry. And then we'll
Doing laundry at 4:30 in the morning.
And then we'll do crunches while we're waiting. And then we'll go to breakfast. And to return,
Reverse.
reverse!
Who